Guys, how's it going? Thanks for watching my video today. I'm going to show you how to make two hats out of one sweater. And I just think they are so cute, especially this one that I made for my son is just adorable.
To start off, I opened up my sweater and traced my triangle pieces along the bottom edge. I then sewed the pieces together to make the hat shape. I also did this exact same thing for the lining fabric. Because the edges on the hat and the lining fabric were both already finished, I just pinned it together and sewed it shut. Next, to make the pom-poms, we get 2 pieces of cardboard circles and put holes in those circles. We then put some yarn in between them in order to tie a knot later. And we just wrap this donut in a ton of yarn. Next, we're going to tie the knot and cut around the edge of the cardboard. And rip the cardboard off. I forgot to mention too, this pattern that I had for my hat, it actually originally called for 6 pattern pieces, but I only used 5, and that was fine. For the kid's hat, I made the diameter of the hat 20 inches, and I started off by just sewing the 2 shoulders together to make one big piece to trace my pieces onto. I sewed it together the exact same way I sewed the big hat together, but when I sewed the lining to the hat, I did it right sides together instead of skipping that step, which makes a huge difference. It looks so clean and professional looking. And then I just top stitched the outside of the hat to keep it in place, and to make the smaller pom-pom, all I had to do was cut out new circles and make them a little bit smaller. Such a cute hat, such a cute boy. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please like and subscribe to my channel.